Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, which as you can see I got a sample here from Ulta in a gift with purchase, and I am so excited to try this out because it is a super high rated, hyped up, fan favorite product. Typically, I'm not too interested in trying out black eyeliners, but the hype around this eyeliner has me very excited to try it out. So the sample that I got is in the shade 0, which is black, but it comes in so many different colors, 37 different colors. So I kind of wish they had done a sample of one of the more fun colors, but this is waterproof, cruelty free, and it's just supposed to not budge, glide on. So let's see how it is. This is a pretty good size though for a sample. And these are the type of pencils that you have to sharpen, which I don't really like sharpening my eyeliners anymore, or lip liners, any sort of pencils. I prefer twist up at this point. But let's start out with a swatch. Oh wow. I guess they do have some other black shades in here, because the shade 0 is actually not a very dark black. It's like a dull black. It kind of doesn't look great in my opinion, but okay, and it does rub away. It's supposed to be creamy for blending, but then not budge. So that's a little bit confusing to me because as you can see, like it did just kind of come off. So I'm not too impressed by the swatch. Let's go ahead and see how it is on my eye. I'm going to just go ahead and line the lower lash line, and also for the fun of it, try it in the waterline here and see if it sticks. It does go on the waterline nicely and easily. Wow. We'll see if it stays on the waterline. But it is nice and gentle, glides right on, pigmented. Let's see if I were to take a little blending brush to it. Yeah, it does smudge out nicely, because on the lower lash line like this, I do kind of like to smoke it out, and it does work for that. I'll go ahead and apply it to the other eye as well, just to even it out, but I don't really wear black eyeliner like this anymore. Just a little bit too intense for my everyday look. But it's super easy to do if that is your everyday look. But I'm not really understanding why this is so high rated, why it would be better than any other less expensive eyeliner. Because even the fact that this just comes right off, and it's kind of on the waterline still, but not in a solid line anymore. So like this is a fine eyeliner, but I don't really see what's too impressive about it. Maybe if it were in some other shades that would be more fun. That's what's impressive about it. But I do not think you have to spend $23 on this eyeliner pencil, because what it's doing, the effect, the way it applies, the way it kind of wears away, I get with literally like $1 eyeliners that I kind of like more. Like LA Colors makes incredible eyeliners that actually twist up, come in so many different shades and finishes. So if you're looking for an eyeliner pencil that, you know, it says 24/7 waterproof, glide on, I just think you can find this same thing for less expensive. So if you've tried this out in any of those other fun shades, let me know in the comments down below which are some of your favorites. And if maybe you love this eyeliner, you think it's worth the hype, let me know in the comments down below why you think it's so high rated and hyped up. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.